Hello guys, welcome to Software Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add screen mockup like this in your WordPress page or blog using WPBakery page builder. To add screen mockup like this, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Now go to plugins and click on add new. Now go to upload plugin, choose file, and I am selecting VC Super Bundle plugin. I have added link in description. You can download this plugin for free from there. Now click on install now. Wait until installing. After installation, click on activate plugin. Now you have successfully installed the Super Bundle for WPBakery page builder, which I have downloaded from given link. Now go back to dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more informative tutorials about WPBakery and WordPress. Now go to post and click on add new. Add post title and publish the post. After publishing, click on WPBakery page builder and then click on backend editor. Now click on add element button and go to Super Bundle section. Here you can see screen mockup widget. Click on it. Now here mockup types, you can use images, videos or some custom content. I'm selecting images. Now select images for mockup. I'm selecting these 3 images and click on add images. Now scroll down. Here you have to select mockup device. I'm selecting iPhone flat white. Now here you can change device orientation from portrait to landscape. I'm selecting portrait. You can also change mockup display area. Save changes and preview the changes. Scroll down. Here you can see the iPhone and your image slider. Now we will make it a little bit smaller. For this, go back to editor, make these columns 3 and drag this widget in central corner. Now preview again. Now you can see a mobile device and slider in it. Now go back to editor, edit the widget, scroll down, change it from mobile to iMac. Save changes and preview the changes. Now you can see the slider look like this. That's how you can add screen mockup in your WordPress page or blog using WPBakery page builder. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.